Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This is Thursday, the 1st day of January 2026. 2 days ago was the 30th day of December 2025. So I woke up to see a message on my WhatsApp where someone who claimed to be Nigerian Air Force personnel dropped. And he said that this was the content of his message. Okocha, I saw your video some weeks ago talking about the bomb manufacturing center in Zamfara state. I just want to let you know that the Nigerian Air Force has destroyed he called it EID production, okay? EID production, I just told people that it was a bomb manufacturing company last 2 weeks. So as you can see, breaking news, Bukiyum, Zamfara state, terrorist begins bomb production, okay? That was 2 weeks ago, exactly. I made the video. And what the man told me, I was able to confirm it 2 days ago from Punch newspaper. So Punch newspaper also reported that the Nigerian Air Force bombs bandits camp, IED factory in Zamfara, okay? The Nigerian Air Force has destroyed bandits camp in Zamfara, including a key IED manufacturing hub in a series of precision airstrikes. Now, you know why I'm just doing this video? Because of comments I do see sometimes, I have continuously making people to understand that the purpose of reporting these things is to let people know what is going on. So I don't have intention to scare people through my reports. That is not the original intention at all. It has never been my intention to report the news because I want people to feel, no, I am reporting this news because you deserve to know what is going on. Like, as someone who was born and brought up from a place, this is your ancestral home, and some things will be going on you don't know. You can only become a victim when those people actualize their dream. It doesn't work like that. And I have maintained consistently that Nigeria is a place where the terrorists operate in a safe haven, in the sense that if you want to gather intelligence about this terrorist movement, their activities and everything they are doing, it is not hard. You don't need sophisticated technologies. You don't need to be a devil or a seer or someone. You don't need to, just simple things you need to know and follow up. You will get your information and know the activities of these people. So it is something that also, gladdens my heart that an alarm was issued some weeks ago, going to 3 weeks now. And within this period, these people have been able to investigate reports about this terror, because I gave kilometers. I named the community. I named the place. I named where it is. I even give kilometers from a mining center there, close to Bukiyum. So if you watch my video, everything I said was very, very understandable, that anybody can just go and look what is going on right there. So I think it is something very nice that the bomb manufacturing centers have been destroyed, despite they have carried out series of production in the place. At least I don't know how big or how large the quantities of bombs have manufactured from the place. But the information that came that very time was that the bomb they are manufacturing there, that they wanted to use it during this Christmas period in southern Kaduna, in Benue State, in Plateau State, and also in some part of Enugu State. And I can see that it seems their plan did not work, and I'm happy about that. And I think this is following the US airstrike on Nigeria. The airstrike was planned to be conducted on 24th day of December. You can see the report from Donald Trump that he have to extend it 1 day interval to just give the terrorists Christmas gift. Maybe one way or the other, these people were suspecting that something is about to happen, and that is why they did not attack that 24th. So the 25th that they wanted to attack, they started hearing that bombs are raining down in Nigeria. So they restricted and gave themselves 1 week. And yesterday, they struck. They struck so many places, especially in the southwest. They even kidnapped one monarch. It's part of the video I'm going to do maybe after this video. They kidnapped one monarch. They even shoot his wife. In Ondo State, they bomb police station. So a lot of things had gone wrong, actually. A lot of things had gone wrong. So I don't see these terrorists succeeding if their sponsors are not continuously sponsoring them. We cannot continue to live a place like this where a terrorist will open a company like bomb production company who supply them, the raw materials. Which airport are they using to bring it? Which seaport are they using to bring it? These are the conditions we are talking about. So it is annoying to understand this, but if you look at it in the other way, it's also a good thing that these bomb manufacturing company have been destroyed. And I'll be keeping you updated because these people never stop to plan. They keep on planning, what to do to cripple people who do not believe in their ideology. Don't forget that these people have ideology. They have what they believe in. There is a purpose why they are doing this. I repeat, there is a purpose. And the purpose is that they want a Sharia state. Anyway, it is what it is. Thank you for listening.
In trying to remove Jonathan, there were stateless persons that were from the Sahel region that were imported into Nigeria. And a former chairman of PDP made that statement. I'm not the person that made it.
But that importation is a fact, is it?
That importation is a fact. What has happened in Nigeria is that most of the time when something comes up today, we never sit back and say, how did we get to this point? We got to this point by virtue of the fact of the effort to remove President Jonathan. There had always been.
Do you want to hear more about this? This is the situation. We got to this point because of the effort to remove Goodluck Jonathan. We were having Boko Haram in the northeastern part of the country before, okay? And the Boko Haram, they were disturbing, but it was solvable because they were just in a particular place until the coalition of Tinubu and Buhari, AC and CPC, imported these terrorists to remove Jonathan. Until these people will be brought to book, Nigeria will not know peace because people who are sponsoring the terrorists cannot be leading you. Terrorists are leading you literally. Now, I'm just trying to show you some facts, some proof for you to understand that, yes, these people really do that. This was probably
that the media has not given appropriate attention. Kaubara.
Now, you see, that article you saw, you can go and Google it, is on Business Daily. Kaubaraji, when he was doing his 70th birthday, he made a statement. He boasted that they imported these terrorists to remove Jonathan. DSS did not arrest him. Nobody arrested him. So the reason why I'm putting down all this background is because I'm going to let you know why the only option is international intervention. Forget about everybody you are seeing here. They are telling you this one can solve this. Nobody can solve this insecurity situation. No. Nobody, because they knows what is going on. It is just among them. This is like a secret court. It is like a secret court. So everybody is just, imagine they are warning President Tinubu to make sure that US stop, that US did not go ahead with this. Why are they warning him? Why? Because they know themselves. They actually know themselves. So there is nothing people will tell you about this US strike. It violates our integrity. It does this, it does that. Don't believe them. Don't believe them. In the voice of Zamfara Governor Dauda Nawa, he says, we know these people, we know their parents, we know where they live, we know whom they are. So what is stopping them from doing this? I'm trying to lay all this thing down for you because tomorrow people will start telling you rubbish. Your celebrities will start telling you rubbish. Nigeria is a sovereignty. Where is the sovereignty?
Like I said, we know where these guys are. We know where they live. We know their parents.
You know them as a government?
Of course we do. They live with the same community we live.
So why is it difficult to get them?
That is the $1 million question that I should ask you.
We are trying to understand, for those of us who are now conversant with Zamfara, have never been there, and we hear you as a chief security officer speak tonight to say, you know these people, but yet you can't get them. It's a head scratcher.
It is something that we are trying to all put our heads together. And that is why, from what I can do as a governor, to have this CPG as a first line of defense. Of course, military are there, police are there, as well as civil defense, but they are not under my control. They are under the control of federal government. And they're, like I said.
So, I don't think there is any other thing you need to understand about this. There is nothing you will understand about this any longer because I have shown you proofs. These people knows these terrorists. They are funding them. These people understand every attack that is happening in Nigeria. They have the intel. They won't stop it. In fact, if they see something that will stop it, they will even make it to happen, like what happened in Niger State Catholic School, how they made the call. They withdrew the military men who were guiding the school after the intelligence, and the terrorists came. They used trucks upon trucks to carry students. The helicopter was up, and the people said the helicopter was painted green, white, and green. Who is deceiving who in this country? Like, you can't fool everybody.
My friend, Mr. Marcel, you know where I stand with all these things. You see, because for me, I am more interested in the root cause of what's going on today in the world. Meaning that we could even start from you talking about, you made a comment as to how the Nigerian situation annoyed you and how they imported bandits. But you were talking about the. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sorry, my StreamYard is kind of lagging, but I'll go ahead. So what I'm saying is that for you, I don't really understand, because for me, I maintain that Nigeria is a fiat state. Nigeria as a country is not a real country. Nigeria as a state is not a real state, because the country on its own named Nigeria is a fake situation. All of us are here under duress. So is he trying to...
So you mean you are in Nigeria under duress?
Who, me?
Yes.
Everybody in Nigeria is under duress, whether you agree it or not. You in the north, you in the south, all of us are here under duress.
The statement you made, the statement you use, like the way you use duress, I really want you to expatiate it. I may understand what you are saying, but you are not talking to me alone. You are talking to many people.
Duress means that we are here based on we don't have a choice. Just like when a thief comes into your house and tells you, hand over your house to me. And if you hand over your house to me, I will not kill you. They say your money or your life. So we are in Nigeria based on such a situation, meaning that we don't love the Nigerian military. We don't want to be a part called the office of the president, the officer commanding the armed forces. Meaning that we are not a part of these armed forces because we love them. We don't love the Nigerian army. We are here because of, if you don't agree, we'll shoot you.
All right.
So the original bandit here is the Nigerian army. So when you are talking about all these things happening is as a result of things that are more ancient than banditry. If you want to point finger at the main person, is the Nigerian army needs to withdraw from the army.
All right.
All of us need to so all these things are where me I stand. Thank you.